Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mass. Mass refers to the amount of matter that makes up an object. The basic unit of mass in the metric system is the kilogram. The following conversions are very important and should be remembered. 1000 milligrams equals 1 gram. 1000 grams equals 1 kilogram, and 1000 kilograms equal 1 ton. Example 1. Change 2500 milligrams to grams. The solution: since there are 1000 milligrams in 1 gram, we have 2000 milligrams equals 2000 divided by 1000, and the answer is in grams. So that's 2.5 grams. Example 2. Change 45,000 grams to kilograms. Solution: since there are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram, we have 45,000 grams equals 45,000 divided by 1,000, and that gives us the answer in kilograms. So the answer is 45 kilograms. Mass in everyday life. Now it's very important to understand how each unit of mass is used in everyday life, because that gives it meaning. It makes it more relevant. So the following examples show how mass is used in everyday life. Now here is a truck, and we see many of them on the roads, many different shapes and sizes. So the mass of this truck might be 5 tons. So it's quite a large mass. And there are trucks which are much bigger than that one. Now here is a man, just a typical diagram here representing a man. The mass of this man might be 85 kilograms. So there's an example where we can use the kilogram for the mass of a man. We can use tons for the mass of a truck. They're just two examples. Now here's an example where we can use grams. This teaspoon might contain 4 grams of sugar. So if we're cooking something and we're following a recipe, the recipe might say use 4 grams of sugar. So we just get this teaspoon, and there we go. There are our 4 grams of sugar. That's just an example. The next example shows how milligrams can be used. Now milligrams are very, very small masses. So each tablet might contain 250 milligrams of vitamin C, for example. So this video has introduced the idea of mass. We've seen some simple conversions on the previous slide, and we've had some examples on this slide where we've seen how to use each of the different units of mass in everyday life.